the heart of the African marsh, a prehistoric bird stands still, camouflaged by the surrounding reeds. The shoebill stork, a dinosaur-like creature, patiently awaits its next meal. Standing up to 5 feet tall, the shoebill stork possesses a wingspan reaching over 7.5 feet, enabling it to glide silently above the marsh. This allows it to maintain a watchful eye over its territory. Known for its extraordinary patience, the shoebill stork can remain absolutely motionless for extended periods, waiting for unsuspecting prey. With a swift, calculated strike, the shoebill punctures its target, often consuming several pounds of fish in a single feeding. Although it may look frightening, the shoebill stork is not an aggressive predator, and its population is threatened by habitat loss and illegal hunting. The shoebill stork's striking appearance and mysterious demeanor have inspired myths and legends throughout history, with many believing it to be an incarnation of mythical creatures. In Egyptian mythology, the shoebill stork is associated with the god Ra, the sun god, representing his all-seeing eye and eternal vigilance. One legend tells of a great battle between Ra and his rival, Apep, the serpent of chaos. The shoebill stork, as Ra's protector, fought valiantly to defend the sun god, striking Apep with its powerful bill. Today, the shoebill stork remains an enduring symbol of strength, patience, and the eternal struggle between order and chaos. Witness the shoebill stork, a living relic of the past, blending the realms of wildlife and mythology. This enigmatic bird continues to captivate our imagination, teaching us the importance of patience, resilience, and the protection of our natural world.